Hello, I'm Dan. Welcome back to another episode of Factorio. Today, we're going to begin production on robots. So, the first thing we're going to build are roboports. Roboports, we're going to need iron. We're going to need a lot of things. So, we're going to need electric circuits. We're going to need plastic. We're going to need steel. We're going to need iron gear wheels. Um, these bad boys use a lot of advanced circuits. Um, and then I think the robots themselves do too. So the robot frames use regular circuits, lots of regular circuits, the and lots more regular circuits. So I think the first thing we really want to do here is we want to mass produce regular circuits. Um, so, and that being said, let's take and bring that through, I guess. Belts. We've got some here. We've got the fast belts. We're going to use the fast belts. We're probably going to upgrade later anyways. We're going to need some splitters. And we're going to grab 25 splitters. Okay, so we're going to bring these down right here. And we will go like this. And we're going to need a lot. And I mean a lot. So we're just going to bring this like the whole way down. Alright, and then the next step will be we're going to need assembling machines. We're going to need a ton of assembling machines. So we're probably actually going to need more materials. Iron, to be precise. Iron should be easy enough to get a hold of here. So that's two more, and then we're going to need copper. At some point, we'll come through and we'll upgrade these belts, all of these belts. But I'm not in a huge hurry right now. Okay, so we got to start by making a ton of copper wire here. And so we're going to do copper wire. We got to make sure we're down below. Yeah, we're going to have to be like here, roughly. All right, so if we go there, I mean, we could try and work in beacons into this, but I don't think it's going to be necessary. So I think we'll just do this. And we actually need some more. Because we're going heavy with this. We're actually gonna bust these because we're gonna need them. I should have set up manufacturing of these assembly machines, but I never got around to it. So there and there, we'll call that enough, I think. Okay, now these guys. Here. So we're going to go down like this. Excellent. Like so. And then output, and we ran out. Of course we ran out. Why would we not have run out? I cannot wait to get these robots up and going. We should actually do some more research. Let's do logistics robots now. All right. So what do we need? Oh, yeah, we were coming back here for inserters. There we go. Let's just take 2 stacks. And hope it's enough. It should be enough. At least for now. Yeah, we're definitely kind of we're going heavy. We're going hard with this. Because I think it's probably necessary. Like so. And then this is something that if we need to, we could expand it out more, but I haven't decided how we're going to deal with this situation, because we are running out of space, which isn't, ideal. Okay, so there's that. That is going to be this is our copper cable. We ran out. Luckily, we have right here. Okay. So this is our copper cable. Which will, I guess it's fine. It doesn't really matter. We're going to have lots of power lines because of how I did this. But that's fine. Right, so here we go. Here, and here. So this is copper cable. Now the copper cable is going to go to our electric circuits. I'm tempted, because I don't really want to bust this. I think what we're going to do, and it's not ideal, but it will work. We need iron. We probably, maybe need copper. Nine, 10, that's probably enough. Just make all of those. We don't need them all. I'm thinking, it's not perfect because it's, more than one copper wire assembling machine per electronic circuit, but I think it's probably fine if we do that, and then we output from here. But we need... That's not gonna quite work. Because we need... Oh, no, it'll still work. So these need iron, which we can bring down, and then we'll use long-handed inserters to extract the circuits. So we should have plenty of long-handed inserters. So if we do this, like so, okay, and now we're going to bring iron down. here. All right, let's bring our iron over. We're going to need an underground belt, which we actually do have. So the iron will come over to here. We will need a splitter right about here, I think. To there, and then this goes down like that. And then our circuits will come back up this way. Oh, God. That got a little screwed up. There we go. And then our circuits are going to come back up this way. Stupid tree. Okay, circuits coming back up this way. Yeah. Let's see here. I'm gonna have, like, this doesn't need bust. These don't need bust. This doesn't need... Okay, we've got a little bit of room to work here. Not a lot. So we're gonna need to pick, like, those 3 up, maybe. These 4. Do something like that. Actually... something like that, I think. And then put that guy back there. All right, and then what we need to do is we need to do this. Something like that, I guess. I think. Okay, so let's put down our electric poles. Get this all sorted out. Okay, step 1. We need to program this side to make copper wire. Now we need to... Nope, we did that wrong. Okay. Copper wire. There we go. That should do it. Okay, now these need to be programmed to make circuits. Shift right click, and then we just want to left click our way up here. There we go, and that should make plenty of electronic circuits for us, at least for now. Okay, so we've got that going. This is, you know, fairly expandable. We can just bring this down, and we could even like turn it if we wanted to and bring it back this way if we didn't want to go straight down, because we're eventually going to have to figure out what we're going to do with our... Actually, let's pull up the map here. We're eventually going to have to figure out what we're going to do with our bus if we run out of room. And I'm thinking we might have to just like turn it, bring it down, and then turn it back this way and basically double back on itself. I don't know, you know, I don't know how much more room we're going to need. So we'll see. We may have to like move some stuff to bring that all through or whatever. We'll see. I should leave like room. I should definitely leave room to because we don't want to get like the whole way over to here. Let's bring that map back up. We don't want to get like the whole way over to here. So I'm thinking we should leave room so that we could... Oh man, this is tough. I don't know what to do. about our situation. I thought we were going to have like tons and tons of room here to make all this work. But we don't have nearly as much room as I thought, clearly. So, I wish this giant thing of water wasn't here. It's a shame that it is. We'll figure it out. Even if I have to move a whole bunch of stuff to make it work later off camera, we'll figure it out. Anyways, so we've got our circuits. So we want to make our roboports first. These need steel, iron gear wheels, a lot of iron gear wheels, a lot of advanced circuits. Like a lot. So what do we need for advanced circuits? Plastic, electronic circuits, and copper cable. Copper cable is easy enough. We can do that. Plastic is easy enough. We've already produced our regular circuits. So let's bring the plastic through, I guess. Shouldn't be terribly hard. Something like that. Probably going to need some more underground belts here. It's going to get really hard to walk in here soon. And by soon, I mean like right now. Let's just grab a whole stack. Okay, here is our plastic. And then we're going to need to bring our steel up. We're probably going to need a lot more belt. Yeah. A lot more belt, huh? I was not wrong. Here we go. Let's grab this belt. Steel is probably our least interrupted belt. Okay, so I'm going to put down a light or two right in here. Okay, now here's the thing. We need copper cable. Plastic bars and electric circuits. Okay, electric circuits are going to come here. So here's our electric circuits. So now we need to get copper and plastic down here. And this is just for the advanced circuits. We're going to have to get steel and iron as well. So, this is where things start to get complicated. I think what we're going to do is we're going to put plastic and electronic circuits on the same belt here. Okay, so we're going to need to bring the plastic down here. roughly. Something like that. Yeah, we'll bring the plastic down there. All right, so we've got plastic and electronic circuits on the same belt. And then we will need iron, or no, not iron, copper cable, which is easy enough. So this is where this is going to go. Copper cable is going to go in here somewhere. Let's put the copper cable. Let's put here. And we're going to do 3. And then we're going to figure out a way to bring copper in right in here. Have to use some underground belts probably. And then we will output on this side. All right, so let's see here. Bring the copper up. Okay, so if we want to use underground belts, we're gonna need to, we're gonna go there, I think. Okay, this is gonna go like this. This guy's gonna go like that. And then we have to underground belt to there. And then we need to underground belt like that. And this is, you know, this is a mess, but it'll be fine. So here's our copper cable. Ah, we ran out of freaking belts again. Luckily, we're nice and close to our belt supply. Okay, so that's going to go to there. These are going to output to this side, like that. All right, and unfortunately, these are going to have to come back in one, I think. And then I think we need advanced ones here. Yeah. Okay, so these are going to go 1, 2, 3. And belts are going to continue down this way to like there. And we're going to go input, 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 and then output, 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 like so. All right. There we go. These are facing the wrong way. And this is just the setup to make the roboports. Okay, so the roboports themselves, now they need... Okay, so we should actually probably turn all of this on so we know what we're working with here. And of course we're out of electric poles, and I don't want to walk halfway across the world to get some more. So we're just going to make some. There and there. Okay. You are copper wire. Shift right click, left click, left click. Okay, you are advanced circuits. Shift right click, left click, left click. There we go. And that should do it. What are we... Oh no, you're just slow. That's it. You're not actually missing anything. You're just a little bit slow. Huh? Well, I think... By a little bit slow, I mean you're a lot of bit slow. A lot of bit. I guess we're gonna put some more in, because that's really slow. What do we need to make more of these? We need iron. I didn't really want to pick up that plastic. I don't think we're gonna do 6, but we might put 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And I think... Yeah, we're only going to have one thing outputting. So I think we'll be alright. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then these are going to go this way. Okay, electric pole. There, and then we're going to go left click, left click, left click. All right, that'll help that out a little bit. So the next thing we're going to need, and this one's kind of a big one. Well, not really. Well, not really a big one. Let's split it back over here. So we need to bring down steel. We need to bring down iron. Well, steel and iron, really. The big problem is that we need iron gear wheels. 45 iron gear wheels. We need steel straight up, and then we need plates. So I think the steel will come down through this nice big gap on this side. The iron, I am really tempted to... No, we can't take off of there because this needs to be expandable. So the iron will bring down on this side, I guess. And we will... Let's what's the 0.5, 2 iron plates, 0.5 per... We'll have to belt... Probably have to belt them. What's the manufacturing time on this guy? 15 seconds. So in 15 seconds, we will make 30 iron plates, or 30 iron gear wheels. So we need 2. Yeah, we need 2 things making... 2 assembly machines making iron gear wheels, and 1... And then at the end of this will be 1 making the robo ports. So, assuming... Man, this is tough. This is real tough. We can do something like um, this. 1, 2. And we'll use underground. Okay, well, we will figure this out next time. We're actually at the end of the episode, so if you like the video, click like and subscribe, and we'll finish up this part next time. Get our robo reports going, and hopefully we will start building our actual robots. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.